Alright guys, so I am back again. I was supposed to do the mount installs, but that video was kind of getting too long for the subframe, so I went ahead and cut it short. This one I'll actually do the mount install. Maybe end up replacing these, the wheel hubs, because they need to be replaced. These are, my rotors are grooved out. And then I think my calipers, they might be stuck. So just in case, I picked up some new ones off Facebook Marketplace for like 50 bucks. From a guy down south. But anyways, I'll go ahead and show you guys the Hasport mounts real quick. I had been talking to Brian and Chris, Laura and them. I appreciate all the help they've given me so far to figure out what to do about this KSWAP. Because I'm not doing the conventional KSWAP where you do a K20 with a K20 transmission or a K24 with a K20 transmission. I have a K24 engine and then a K24 transmission on top of that, and that's a K24A2 with a 5-speed Accord manual gearbox. So I had to get the, I'll show you the box. So here we have the Hasport EKK4 mounts. I went with the 70A just because I do plan to track this car. It's not just going to be, it'll be the daily, but it'll be a trackable daily, and I plan to push a little bit of power through it eventually. But I went ahead and popped the box open and started pulling some mounts out. This rear mount. You go over there. Rear mount. I don't know what this is. ST claims another bolt. Alright. Which one are you? Oh. Damn, these are clean. Oh, wait. Damn, these are clean. I wish I had some polish. Maybe you guys can see the Hasport logo on there. Maybe. Shoot, I can't. But this is the rear mount that actually sits. Actually, I'll show you guys real quick. This is supposed to sit here. I've got bolts in place, but it's supposed to sit around there. Something like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and finish checking out the box. Ooh. I don't know, it's another mount. Drill. May need that. Figure out what bolt sizes these are. Oh. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. Ah, there we go. See, now that's looking pretty. Dang, wish I could polish this. You can't see nothing in these. I'll have to polish these up probably sometime during the week. They look good though. Excuse the wind. Okay, so this mount here, this one is going to be, I do believe, the one that goes next to the timing cover. So it should go right around here. Pretty sure there's a mount that goes here. And then this will attach to that CRV bracket that you have to get for the Hasport mounts, the elongated one. This will sit on top, you bolt it down, and then right in there. And then ka-ching, you're done. What else we got in here? More goodies, more goodies, more goodies. I think there's one more. Let's see. Make some room here. I did take one of the mounts out already, and I put it on the transmission to see if it would fit. It did. Oh, ho, ho, I like this one. But which way does it? I assume it goes like that. I like that. A little bit of detail in there. Welds look pretty good. Way better than my welds, at least. I weld with a stick welder, guys, so boogers for days, but at least I know the welds hold. I think this one is actually the driver's side. Oh yeah, it is the driver's side. What do you know? Damn, like a glove. Hell. Alright. Shit, I should end the video right here. Mounts installed. Boom. But no, let me go ahead and get that other one. Okay, so that's the passenger side, that really fat one over there. How do we... Huh. So, I'm not the brightest cookie, but where? No. Hasport, help. Mute me. I don't know what to do. Oh wait, does it go that low? I don't think it goes that low. Wait, no, maybe I have it on wrong. Like that, maybe? Well, that mount looks like that. Oh, you know what? It was backwards. Look at this. That's how it's supposed to go. See, look, you don't need instructions, just a little bit of ingenuity. Is it really only 2 bolts? Well, I guess it's just those 2 bolts that hold it. Oh, right down there. Alright, I guess I'll go ahead and try to start with that. Actually, the rear mount might be the easiest. They said to install these lightly, so, or I guess loosely, so I guess we'll go ahead and install them loosely first, and then go from there. I don't know what this was. I also don't know what this was. Ew. Got some mush on there. So those are there. I feel like I'm missing a bag. So I don't feel a little amount of bolts. In here? No. In there? Also no. Weird. But we'll go ahead and remove these bolts from here, I guess. Okay. Cool. Those are off. Let's take this rear one. I'm guessing it sits up just like... Okay, so we got a problem. I can't put it in. I took all the bolts off the firewall, and now I don't know where anything's at. You guys should probably keep the bolts in a bag. Shit. Oh, you know what? That might do the trick. Okay. Nope, I lied. That's even harder. No. Okay. Oop. Almost. Aha. Haha, I found something. And you know what? The bolt is too short. Alright, so I guess you gotta use their provided hardware. So... let me figure out which ones go for the rear mount. Then I'll be right back. And there go the Hasport mounts in all their glory. Looking beautiful. So I did repaint the engine bay, budget paint. Just with that Rust-Oleum stuff. So I'm hoping it holds up pretty well. I still need to paint the front support. This is actually a new one. The old one was actually banged in pretty hard. But these two here, Hasport pretty much provided all the mounting points for it. Then there's 3 back here for the rear mount. These are all still loose according to Hasport's instructions. Then we've got the side one. With the passenger mount, or sorry, driver mount, this one, you're supposed to use stock hardware. I don't know where mine's at, so I'm gonna see if Hasport ended up providing the hardware for this mount as well. But everything requires 1 bolt, 1 washer. Here. Same thing with the back. Bolt washer. Yeah. Okay, yeah, they all got one. This front one's actually going to be slightly longer than those rear two, if I'm not mistaken, just because of this spacer here. These two are the same size. These go all into the existing frame rail, as you can see here. And look at that pretty subframe. I believe you do need to remove this for the KSWAP. I'm gonna see if I can get mine in without removing it. But if I have to remove it, I gotta remove it. Go figure. But guys, that's the end of the video. It's been a long time coming. This KSWAP's finally getting rolling. I got a lot of things done. I got a lot of things together. This weekend we plan to put the engine in. It'll be me, Jonathan, and Reek. We're gonna go ahead and take shitbox and move it back over to my area. I do have some videos coming for this, and I do have plenty of goodies for this. Guys, I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that jazz. And don't forget, just keep moving forward. Peace.